Hello everyone. I'm making this video to provide some technology tips for how to transfer content from one document into another document online. I'm having students take notes in an interactive notebook, and I'm giving them little pieces of that notebook along the way as I create them for specific tasks. So, for example, students have new notes that they need to add to their INB or interactive notebook, and they need to be able to copy that from the document that I've posted to Canvas um, to their interactive notebook. I'm going to show how to find that and how to add that to the document here. I'm going to have another video that's going to show how to create links within the document so that you can have a table of contents and click on the table of contents and pull you right down to where you need to be within that document. So that's going to be the next video I make today. Thank you. So I'd like to pretend like I am a student who is in period 4 and who missed Tuesday's class. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through what I would do as a student who missed a live session and how I would catch up on the work that I missed. In doing this, I will be showing how to add those notes to my INB. So I'm going to click here on the agenda. This is really always where I want you to start. And I recognize right now that this method might start to look pretty daunting, where I have all of the directions in one place. So I really want to encourage you guys to put on your funnel and just look at the class that you are for. Look at period 4 or look at period 2 and try to blur out the other information on this page. As a student who missed Tuesday's morning live lesson, I'm going to look at this and I see that I actually have some directions right here. So this is what these are some directions here, but I have this part here. If you missed this class, please review the slides in Unit 0, Lesson 3. Okay, there it is. About expectations and the grading policy, slides 8 through 25. Complete the syllabus notes in your IMB like we did last week. Additionally, look carefully at slides 26 through 34 and complete the corresponding notes in your IMB. I also see directions here to upload your IMB to Google Classroom. See this video for how to do that. All right, here's what all of this means. You can click here and it will send you to the slides that I was showing in class. I have directions that I need to actually add additional notes to my digital notebook. So I'm going to click on this link and it brings me to this document right here. Now, as a student, I don't have the ability to edit. I just have the ability to view. So I'm going to show how to copy and paste that into the interactive notebook. Going back over here, I actually do have the interactive notebook linked right here. But in case I didn't, our interactive notebook always lives. I'm going to open this in a new tab. There's our interactive notebook. So if you click here, you can access this document. I'll pretend like I already did. And there's my interactive notebook. It shows up like this. Okay. So now the first thing that I need to do is to take these notes and add them to this document because it's not here yet. If I scroll down, got my table of contents. I'm going to scroll all the way to the very bottom. I'm going to click here, and then this is an organizational tactic. I'm going to go to Insert, Break, Page Break, which opens it up on a new page, and it's just like I'm starting a new page in my paper notebook. Now I'm going to go to these notes, and I'm going to select all of them and copy them into that one. So the way that I do is I can click anywhere on the page and go to Edit, Select All. Now, of course, it is much faster to use the Control key for this, but for this video, I'm going to show you everything that I'm doing. This selects everything on this document, and now I can go to Edit and I can copy that, which puts it onto the computer for me. I'm going to go back to my interactive notebook, and I'm on a new page right now. So now I can go to Edit, and I can paste it in. So now I have this new document all uploaded on my INB, and I can take my notes here. Thank you very much for watching this video. The next video that I'm going to show is how to add links from the table of contents to another spot in this notebook so that we don't have to do all of this scrolling. Thank you for watching.